It's a case-by-case basis, and I don't make that decision and analysis alone. I do it with the accountant and or the lawyer. No, never the lawyer by themselves. The accountant, maybe the family office. We work through scenarios to maximize the capital dividend account, and there are ways to do that. You have to go through an iterative process. It's not a slam dunk each time. And, the CRA has really visited our industry twice. 1982, following the McKicken budget, and on January 1st, 2017, they effected changes to the Income Tax Act for insurance. Since that date, the calculations have changed. The rules have changed inside the insurance company that calculate the CDA. It used to be more favorable. It's less favorable now, so you have to look at that when doing it. It's a formula that is not easy to understand what creates the CDA. It's, as you said, it's the death benefit minus the adjusted cost basis of the policy. And the ACB changes. It has a mountainous view. It goes up to a peak and comes down. But unfortunately, with the new calculation at the much older ages of insuring someone, the ACB never goes to zero. So there's always some CDA grind. ACB grind and the death benefit. But our plan is to show how we can maximize that. And truth be told, it changes case by case, depending on the age, the gender, whether it's a single-aged person or a joint last-to-die policy.
Right.
So that's what we're brought in to do, is to maximize the after-tax benefit.
Right. And I guess to get the adjusted cost base as close to zero as possible, the number one thing you can do is have a lot of time. So
yes,
setting up the policies as far in advance as possible, and not, you definitely don't want to set one of these things up today to get the benefit tomorrow. You want to set these things up 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 years in advance.
Good point.
So that the ACB has the time to get to as close to zero as possible, if it's not all the way to zero.
Very good point. The earlier you start, the earlier the ACB will get to zero. So that's the biggest benefit.